What's up guys, Dylan from Redline here, and today we are going to be talking about OBDEleven and Vagcom Mods and how to properly code your Audi or Volkswagen car. Today we will be doing the coding with the OBDEleven dongle. It just plugs into your OBD port. It kind of acts like a Vagcom cable. It does all the same stuff. This can be done through any smart device, whether it be Android or iOS, and is controlled through the OBDEleven app. To begin, you just plug the OBD device into the port, just like this. To my left, I will be showing what my phone screen displays on the app. So to start, once you have your device plugged in, you hit connect, make sure your Bluetooth is on. It will show your device. It's connecting. You'll have a password. It's whatever, just a random assortment of numbers that you chose when you first got the device. It will be detecting your vehicle. Then it connects to your vehicle. It will tell you what kind of car you own. I have a 2013 Audi S4. And in this device, it will read all of your control units, like every single module in the car. It's honestly pretty impressive. This is a alternative to the Vagcom, like the Rostec cables and all that stuff. So once you are fully connected, you can scan the car like a normal OBD reader, or like what we're going to be doing today, you go over to apps, and there are different things that you can activate within the car. Today, I will only be going over my top 5 of these Vagcom mods. There are just so many of them, it's like nearly impossible to go over every single one in one sitting. We'd be here for about 3 hours trying to do that. So our first mod, we will be talking about keeping your DRLs on while your blinker's on. As you can see here, you click DRL function with turn signal. You'll click that. And I've already done this mod, but say you're doing it for your first time, you hit change value. And so I have this setting on, and that will be like I just showed you. Now before, when you would turn your turn signal on, the DRL would turn off and it would just be your blinker. I feel this looks a lot better. Up next, we have turning your side marker lights off. This can be seen here under side marker lights. All this does is it shuts off the bulb behind your orange reflector in your headlights, giving it more of an aggressive look. In order to do this, you just click change value and turn it off. Up next is my personal favorite Vagcom mod. It keeps your back DRLs on all the time. I love the rear end of this car. It's very aggressive looking. In order to activate this, you click Scandinavian DRLs, change value, and then turn it on. Before, your rear DRLs would only come on when your headlights are on. This keeps them on all the time, giving it that aggressive look. Next, we have up the ability to control your windows with your key fob, which is actually pretty cool. So when your car is off, you can hold the lock button to close your windows or the unlock button to roll your windows down. And at the same time, you also have the ability to control your sunroof. So to do that, you go into where it says comfort windows, click that, change value, and you can turn that on. That will do just the windows. There's another setting in here for the sunroof. You can make it where you hold unlock, where it will just tilt open, or where it will fully open all the way. Lastly, we have Soundaktor up. Basically, that eliminates some of the drone in your cabin. So these cars from the factory come with this little speaker that's in the firewall that kind of makes fake noise. So if you're like me and you have an aftermarket exhaust system, This will reduce some of your drone, which is very nice. In order to do that, you click Soundaktor, change value. Now you can have it where it plays a little bit if you like a droney noise for whatever reason in your car. You can change different percentiles. I have mine off, and it definitely helps with the drone in your vehicle. Now these mods are my top 5, my personal top 5. They might not be everyone else's, and they are by no means all of the mods. I do also have some honorable mentions. The first honorable mention is going to be the gauge sweep, your needles. If your car doesn't already have that on, in order to turn it on, go down to where it says gauge test and then needle sweep and just turn it on. Another cool Vagcom mod that you can activate is the lap timer. It's in your MMI. You turn that on by going to lap timer, change value, and then turning it on. Also displays your oil temp, which is pretty cool. In order to get to the lap timer, you go over to this switch right here, click the bottom button, and here you go. It displays your oil temp, all that good stuff. You can do different times, start, finish, laps, etc. Pretty cool little feature. Another cool bonus is you can have your fog lights on with your DRLs, which if you have like cool fog lights, like yellow ones or something, it looks kind of sick. To do that, you just go where it says fog lights as DRL, click that and enable it. Simple as that. Now that just about sums it up in terms of the preloaded modifications that you can do on OBDEleven. If you do have the Pro version, you can do all the long coding stuff. So there's even more mods that you can do. For this car example, I go on AudiZine. You can go on basically any forum to get the exact coding. I haven't done any of those because I think the stuff I have is already cool. I might look into it. If you guys want me to, I can drop a comment. I'll drop a video on the long coding too. If you enjoyed this video or if it helped you in any way, shape, or form, feel free to drop a comment below. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe. I post automotive content 3 times a week, and we're just out here having fun on this channel. So feel free to join the team. Peace out.